Have you ever taken off your glasses and wished you never had to put them back on? That feeling of freedom, seeing the world in crisp, vibrant colour, no barriers, no frames, is something I know many of us dream about. But what if I told you that Mother Nature herself has been holding the key to clearer vision all along? Today, I want to share the natural secrets Dr. Barbara O'Neill has revealed, herbs and remedies that could help you nourish your eyes naturally, and maybe say goodbye to glasses forever. Let's set the scene. Close your eyes for a moment and picture a lush green forest, gentle sunlight streaming through the leaves, a cool breeze carrying the scent of fresh herbs. These aren't just pretty visuals, these are nature's gifts, packed with the power to heal. So what are these vision-boosting herbs? First up, bilberry. This small, deep purple fruit has been used for centuries to support night vision and overall eye health. It's rich in antioxidants that protect your eyes from the daily strain of screens and pollution. Next, there's eyebright. Aptly named, this delicate wildflower has been cherished in herbal traditions for soothing tired, irritated eyes. Imagine sipping a gentle tea, feeling the stress melt away, not just from your mind, but from your vision itself. And don't forget ginkgo biloba, an ancient tree whose leaves are known to support blood flow to the eyes, helping deliver nutrients where they're needed most. It's like a gentle, caring hand, nurturing your sight from within. But here's the real secret. It's not a magic pill, it's a journey. These herbs are allies, not miracles. Combine them with healthy habits. Blink often, rest your eyes, soak up that natural green when you're outside. I know the struggle of blurry vision, the frustration of smudged lenses and misplaced glasses. But there's hope rooted deep in the earth, growing quietly, waiting for us to notice. If you're ready to try these natural tips and embrace a greener, clearer lifestyle, let me know in the comments. Have you used any of these herbs? Or maybe you've got other vision secrets to share? I'd love to hear your story. Remember, nature has a way of healing if we're willing to listen. Take that first step and let your eyes see the world as it was meant to be seen. Bright, beautiful, and free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community of health seekers. Until next time, take care of those eyes and take care